Today I'm gonna show you this 1996 Ferrari F550 Maranello from UT Models in 1/18 scale. Okay, I think I got this for $60 on eBay. It's still brand new in its original box, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. It comes in Rosso Corsa, which means racing red in Italian. And I got this car because I've always liked Ferraris. I've been a big fan. I still remember when I first saw it, and one of the first movies that I saw it in was The Family Man from Nicolas Cage. If you haven't seen that movie, you should definitely check it out. Alright, let's see. First time opening it since it was released. I actually got this car because I wanted to buy the Ferrari 575 for Maranello, but it wasn't available, so I got this one instead. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, it's released now. Look at that. That is pretty. This car was originally released in the real version was released in 1996 for $275,000. That's a lot of money, but it's a front engine V12 Ferrari. In that time, it had 485 horsepower, which is enough. They call it the gentleman's Ferrari. All right, let's take it off the box. Okay, look at that. That is pretty. That is pretty. Oh my god, that is pretty. Okay, the box has a little screw so you can take it off. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out right now. All right, here it is. It's a Rosso Corsa red. I just love the design. The wheels, 5-spoke wheels, they're awesome. Now, something I don't like about it is it doesn't have the calipers, so that's something I wasn't happy with. But for $60, hey, you can't complain. I just love the design, the little scoop for the flow of the car, the little handle, you can tell, the little handle. The mirrors are nice. It even has the little side turn signal. You might be able to see it. That's pretty cool. And it has the lettering Pininfarina here on the side. I might be able to zoom in, but I don't think you can tell. I love the fact that the wheels have the little prancing horse on them, and you can see the little wheel lugs on them. You can see the brake rotor on it, and you can see if you open up the door, it's really cool. Look, you can tell the seats, and you can tell there's a shift lever, the H pattern shift lever. One thing I don't like is the exhaust. I think it's too tame for a V12, and since they call it a gentleman's car, you don't see these people that modify this car, the owners. They don't put like a tubby or an exhaust on it to make it sound louder. But if I had this car, I would modify it to make it sound like a Ferrari 355. But that's just me. You got the steering wheel. It has a little Ferrari prancing horse on it, and also you can see the dash. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's close the door, and we'll go back to the front. Okay, here are the headlights. This I don't like about this model, that I actually wanted a GT Spirit version of this car, but they're too expensive. That's not within my budget, but maybe one day I'll get one. We got the plastic covers for the headlights, but the headlights, see the detail? I don't like that. It's just gray. It just little plastic colored finished in gray. I don't there's no actually, you can't, there doesn't have any headlights, so I don't like that. I don't like this is just plastic also on the scoop for the engine. It would have been nice if it was like a mesh. You got the Ferrari badge on the front. You got the little prancing horse on right here. That's pretty neat. And then you got the lower valance, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's go to the back. One thing you can find these all day used for $30, new $60-$70 on ebay.com. That's where I got it. That's why I would recommend for you guys to get one. So you got the back, you can open up, you got the Ferrari little badge on it, you got the little prancing horse here on the back, you got the lights. That's a nice little detail. I would have liked for this the white to be like really, and like also the orange light to have been like real, like the same material. It's just a little sticker. I don't like that. You got the exhaust, chrome tipped exhaust. That's a nice little feature for a $60 1/18 scale. And then the boot, the trunk opens up, and you got the beige colored trunk, same as the interior. All right, you got the opening for the gas, put in your gas. All right, let's look at the side, driver's side, passenger side. I love this little design for the flow of the, to take out the air. That man, that's pretty cool. I think this design is so beautiful, so timeless. I like the hunches here. Man, I could look at this car all day long and not get tired of it. But you can see that's the passenger side of the car. I like the handle. They were able to put the handle on the car. And you got the interior of the door. That's pretty cool. The same color beige as the interior of the seats. Yeah, let's check it out. I think it's a great design. So it's a love. Such a pretty car. Such a pretty car. That's pretty much that's all I can say about it. I would like to get this car also in silver metallic. That would be nice. And I would also like to buy like as a remote control RC car. But there it is. UT models 1996 Ferrari 550 Maranello. How about that? Well, if you liked the video, like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day. One thing I forgot to mention was the underside. You can see the little mufflers here are in detail. That's pretty neat. And you can see where it's routed. You can see the little markings on the tire, like the thread. You can see the other muffler. It's chrome plated, I guess you can say. Well, chrome plastic. And then you got the tubing for the transmission and all that good stuff. So that's pretty cool. It's hard plastic underneath. I wonder if this does anything. No, that's not it. And that's it. Thank you so much.